Friction-resistant eccentric half-ball valve. Friction-resistant eccentric half-ball valve is a new type of valves which were designed to solve the problem of transportation of two-phase, which makes the medium of air solid or liquid solid. This kind of valves is suitable for the oil and chemical industry, gas, metallurgy, electric power, steel, papermaking, etc. The eccentric half-ball valve uses eccentric structure to achieve reliable zero leakage. When the valve is open, the ball will quickly move from the seat. The friction of seats is greatly reduced as well. The sealing system of the eccentric half-ball valve is adjustable. When the sealing system is damaged by long-term operation, it is possible to readjust the valve sealing system to ensure zero leakage. Eccentric half-ball valve has the following advantages. 1. Simple structure, convenient for manufacturing and maintenance. 2. The structure of the valve is 90-degree rotation. Opening and closing time is short. 3. Good sealing performance, low friction between the sealing faces, long service life. 4. No dead zone cavity, no accumulation of drags, vaster flow area, little flow resistance. The main technical specifications: DN 2 to 40 inches, PN class 150 to class 900, body material, carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy steel, etc. Operation, gear, motor, etc. The structural characteristics of friction-resistant eccentric half-ball valve are as follows. 1. Hemisphere supported by the upper and the lower stem. All the force of the ball is passed to the upper and lower stem when closing. It lets protect the seat sealing face, avoid damage due to excessive force, avoid impurities stuck into the stem, thus efficiently reducing the valve operating torque. 2. The connection of the upper stem and the half ball is done via multiple keys, which is reliable and stable and has big transmission torque. The half ball uses double eccentric design. The gear effect provides for the best performance of the valve, and it can also automatically remove the dirt accumulated in the seal face during the on-off process to ensure safe and reliable sealing. 3. The seat and half-ball sealing face are covered by a hard alloy material. The thickness of the layer is no less than 2 mm. The sealing face hardness is no less than 55 HRC. It can withstand the temperature of 560 degrees Celsius, and it can meet the requirements of valve corrosion resistance, abrasive resistance, erosion resistance, and other special requirements. 4. Seal with flexible graphite packing material provides reliable sealing performance and has a very hard material. The bushing is placed into a flange stem and it can be pressed to automatically center the system to avoid stem jamming. The welded ball valves produced by VARC use single weld joint. Left and right bodies are forged by special mold. It has a compact structure and beautiful appearance. The product has the Patent of Utility Module certificate issued by the State Intellectual Property Office. The patent number is VL2009200703117.7. The weld joint is done using the automatic welding technology. During the welding process of the body, the weld joint is far away from the sealing seat and the packing area, which lets completely avoid the damage of the seat and the packing due to overheating of the weld joint. Due to the location of the weld joint, there is no blind area of flood detection. The whole area can be inspected with X-ray. The ball does not move under pressure. All the force which is generated on the ball is transferred to the upper and the lower shaft and will not transfer to the seat or the outlet to avoid damage of the seat by large pressure. The sealing seat adapts floating structure. The sealing face is pressed onto the bowl tightly by the pressure of the medium to ensure good sealing.